What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is something that we got from Geek Buying here. This is the JJRC H345. Two little nano quadcopters from JJRC. They're calling it the JJ1 and JJ2. So let's get in here and see what exactly we have. So that's everything in the box here. Let's sit the box back here. So we have this here. This is a virtual reality game. I think you just hit this QR code with your smartphone, and I think you can download a virtual reality game for this quad, I guess. And so we have the instructions to both of them here. So I guess they're telling you which one is JJ1 and this one is JJ2. So let's pop it open and look at them. So let's look at the transmitter first. So the transmitter is a pretty nice size. We have shoulder buttons here, nice and clicky. The sticks don't press in, but they seem pretty nice for thumb flyers there. Let's see, it takes 3 AAA batteries. So let's sit that to the side and let's pull out the JJ1 and JJ2. Okay, so there we go. This is the JJ1 here. They're both foldable nanos. Maybe a little larger than a nano, that size in between. Close to a micro. No buttons or switches to unfold these arms here. You just pull them out. And so they have these nice rubber landing feet on them. No camera. I think this is a light here. So pretty awesome looking quads there. It looks like this one is going to weigh a little more than this one. So let's check out the weights anyhow. Let's check out the weight of both of them. So we got JJ1 coming in at 26.3 grams. And my guess is this one is going to be heavier. Oops, let's let it zero out first. So we got JJ2 coming in at 27.8 grams. So this is the heavier one. Let's check out the lights on them. If I can get them switched on. So this one has lights. I believe this one has lights as well. So we have one light on the front, 2 red lights in the rear. This one has 3 lights on the front and 2 lights in the rear. So this one is going to be lit a little better for nighttime. This one, it does have a lighter top here, but I don't think that's going to matter since the light is coming out of the bottom here. So looks like JJ number 2 is going to be the better night flyer, but it looks like this one is going to be a little bit lighter. So the flight characteristics of this one might be better, but I'm not sure because this one could have a faster yaw rate. I guess we're not going to be able to find out until we actually fly this thing. So you guys can expect some flight footage of these coming up really soon. We're probably going to take them outdoors and see if they can fly out there. It's been really cold outside, but it shouldn't affect these too much. Let's see, we got 1 set of spare props here, guys. So only 1 set of spare props for 2 quads. And we have 1 charging cable here. This is only for 1 pilot, I'm guessing. Not really designed for 2 people to have fun with it, because there's only 1 transmitter as well. So I guess you just get 2 quads here in case something happens to one. So you guys can expect some flight footage of these coming up real soon, and ultimately a quick review or a full review. It's the JJRC H345, JJ1 and JJ2 respectively. Thanks for watching.